I'm in the Bavarian forest in Germany where I'm organizing my workshop wildlife photography, and today we were extremely lucky because the wolves, we were taking pictures of the wolves, then the wolves start howling. We already had some really nice shots, but what happened, they start howling, and yeah, of course we went completely crazy, and we made some really extremely beautiful shots of howling wolves. And yeah, so we were very lucky, and this is what you need, of course, with wildlife photography. You sometimes also need some luck. So if you ever want to come on a trip with me, you just go to my website wildlifeimages.nl, and you can see if there's any space left, because I'm going here 2 times a year, 2 times in the winter, 1 time in the fall, which is also really nice with all the color in the forest. So if you ever want to come on, then you're more than welcome. So see you in the next time. Bye bye.